Imagine waking up to discover your private messages weren't so private after all. That's the unsettling reality stirring iPhone users lately, after a serious app vulnerability sent shockwaves through the tech world. But here's where things get controversial. WhatsApp, the mega-popular messaging platform owned by Meta, just revealed it had been grappling with a security loophole exploited specifically to hack iOS and Mac devices. In their August security bulletin, WhatsApp explained that they patched a flaw known as CVE 2025-55177, which attackers paired with a separate vulnerability found within Apple's software. Apple refers to theirs as CVE 2025-43300. This duo of glitches gave hackers a direct pipeline to personal data, no elaborate tricks required. For many affected users, this wasn't just a hypothetical risk. A post on X, formerly Twitter, exposed how these bugs made it possible for cyber criminals to send malicious exploits through WhatsApp and swipe sensitive info straight from your Apple gadget. Here's the part most people miss. Even now, it's unclear who orchestrated the attacks or what shadowy spyware vendor is lurking behind the curtains. Meta's official line? They spotted and fixed the bug a few weeks back. Notified under 200 users and aren't pinning the blame on anyone in particular, at least not publicly. Some might ask, is that enough transparency? Does the lack of details inspire trust or suspicion? To play it safe, WhatsApp urges anyone worried to do a full factory reset of their device and make sure your operating system is running the latest updates. If you're wondering, why bother? History makes a compelling case. Recall just a few months ago, WhatsApp's users came under fire yet again when notorious spyware developer NSO Group was ordered to shell out a whopping $167 million after their software breached over 1,400 accounts back in 2019. And this is where the debate heats up. Are major tech companies responding quickly enough to these sophisticated exploits, or does their patch and notify routine leave users exposed for too long? Should Meta reveal more about the nature and source of the attack, or would that just fuel further chaos? What's your take? Do you see these recurring incidents as inevitable in a digital world? Or does it make you rethink how secure your favorite chat app truly is? Share your thoughts below. Are you trusting WhatsApp with your data, or reconsidering where and how you communicate?